Hello, this is Lorenzo from Event Espresso. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a custom registration approved email with Event Espresso. The registration approved email is the notification that an attendee receives after a successful registration on your WordPress website. If you want to customize that email for an in-person or virtual event, then this video is for you. So right now we are viewing the default message template screen, and the easiest way to get to this screen is to click on the messages link under Event Espresso and then click on the default message templates tab at the top of your screen. So we are looking for the registration approved template, which is here. We're going to move over to the right side of the screen and click on that Create Custom button. Okay, so Event Espresso has just created a copy of the default registration approved template. The next step is to switch the recipient. We're going to use the drop down towards the top of the screen and select registrant. Then we're going to click on the switch recipient button. Okay, so we are viewing the registrant recipient template, and this is simply the template that will go out to an attendee. So you can think of a registrant as an attendee. The next step is to update the title of the custom template so it's easily recognizable when you want to connect it to an event. So let's say I'm planning a webinar fundraiser. I can type in a webinar fundraiser, and then to get a little bit more specific, add in the event date. And again, when you go to select this, you'll immediately know the event and the event date, so you can select the correct template. Next, I'll scroll down to the main content area here. All right, so at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that you can customize this email for an in-person or a virtual event. So let's say we were preparing this template for an in-person event. So one way that you could use this is to add in some specific details on how an attendee can prepare or get ready for your upcoming event. And if this was a virtual event where you are teaching your attendees or students online, another way that you could use this is to add in the virtual meeting access. So for example, if there is a link that they should click, you can actually add those details in here. Okay, so those are two examples on how you can use this template. So what I'll do now is scroll back up and click on this Save button here. Okay, so this template is ready to go. I'm now going to show you how to connect it to an event. I have another browser tab open here towards the top of my screen, and I'll click on that. And what I'll do is refresh this since I had this open prior to setting up that template. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, scroll all the way down to the notifications area here. And if you don't see this, what you want to do is click on that email tab, and then you should see all the notifications that are available. We just set one up under registration approved, so what I'm going to do is click on this drop down, select that template right here, and then what I'll do is come back up and click on Save, or if this event is already live, what I'll do is just simply click on the Update button. So that is an overview of how to set up a custom registration approved email with Event Espresso. Remember that you can use this for in-person or virtual or online events, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks.